The next thing that we'll need to install is a bunch of VS Code extensions. As a reminder, an extension is just a plugin. It's almost like an add-on for VS Code that allows you to have additional features and functionalities. So within VS Code, you can click this collection of cubes on the left-hand navigation menu. That will bring up the extensions panel, and here you can search for the extensions you want to install. The first one we want to install is Prettier. Prettier is an NPM library that's going to format our code. We're going to introduce that technology in a few sections from now, but we will be utilizing Prettier and its integration with VS Code throughout the course. So once you find the Prettier extension, you can click the install button right here to install that VS Code extension. The next one that we'll need is ESLint. ESLint is a linter, which means it is a program that checks your code for violations, for errors, for inefficiencies, for mistakes, and it alerts you to those inefficiencies directly within the file. So in order to integrate this, again, NPM library to work well with VS Code and to work within the editor, we'll need this ESLint extension from Microsoft. So once you find that, you can click install here as well. And finally, the third extension is optional. If you want to have the exact same color theme as me, so you want your editor to look the exact same as mine, what I am utilizing throughout the course is the Winter is Coming extension. Again, this is just a color theme, and you do not have to install this if you do not want to. It's just aesthetic. It's just how the editor looks. But I will be utilizing this theme with the Winter is Coming dark blue setting applied. All right, so make sure you install Prettier and ESLint. The Winter is Coming extension is optional, and that's all that we need to set up in VS Code for now. So I will see you in the next lesson.